Day 5, I hope you're all okay and have had a really good week. So before we start thinking about our second part of our RE on Heroes of the Bible, I'd just like to say a big thank you for the work that you've sent in for the Wednesday worship. I've loved seeing all your art and design, so well done. So now moving on to our RE. Last week we started to look at Heroes of the Bible and we were focusing on Noah and the act of building the ark, which God had instructed him to do to save the animals from the flood. So this week we're going to look at a woman in the Bible who proved herself to be a hero through the noble qualities that she showed. So this particular hero can be found in the Gospel of Luke, which is in the New Testament in the Bible, which is at the back of the Bible. And the story of this hero is called The Widow's Offering. This tells the story of a woman who gave away everything she had. Although what she gave away was only a very small amount, and while everyone else around her was giving away significant amounts more, the Bible says that in Jesus' view, the woman gave the most. So here's the story read from the Bible. Just then he looked up and saw the rich people dropping offerings in the collection plate. Then he saw a poor widow put in 2 pennies. He said, "The plain truth is that this widow was given by far the largest offering today. All these others made offerings that they'll never miss. She gave extravagantly what she couldn't afford. She gave her all." So to show this further, here's an animation of the story.
A poor widow's gift. Luke chapter 21, verses 1 through 4.
Jesus and the disciples went to the temple area. They watched people drop money into the offering box. The rich people put a lot of money into the box. Then Jesus saw a poor widow. She put 2 small coins into the box.
"This woman's gift is greater than all the others,"
Jesus whispered to his disciples.
"Even though the woman is poor, she gave all the money she had. The rich people gave a lot of money, but they still have plenty left over."
The woman in the story was a hero because she decided to give everything she had as an offering, even though she had very little. What made her a hero was the sacrifice she made when she gave her last coins. So in the Easter RE, we had some good discussions about what sacrifice meant. If you can remember, we discussed that sacrifice means giving up something that you value in order to help other people. So why don't you pause the video now and have a think what sacrifices you might have made in your life so far. The lady in this story sacrificed her last coins to help others. In this story, it was the love for Jesus that she felt in her heart that prompted her to make the sacrifice to help others. So your challenge now is to bullet point 4 key points of the story, and then when you've done that, you could design a poster, you might choose to write a poem, or you might create a storyboard to show those key points in the story and the meaning behind the story. And again, you can tweet your ideas to STK Bournemouth. I hope you enjoyed the video, have a great week and see you soon.